From urban streets to rugged country roads, police chases in the U.S. take on a life of their own, involving not only cars but also daring motorcyclists. The tension is palpable as officers race against time and lives hang in the balance. Let's explore with us today the thrilling yet perilous world of police chases in the U.S. On May 14, 2022, a routine evening patrol turned into a heart-pounding drama for the Arkansas State Police when a female driver, seemingly desperate to evade capture, put lives at risk in a jaw-dropping pursuit. The chase began when troopers attempted to pull over a vehicle for erratic driving. Instead of complying, the driver floored the accelerator, weaving dangerously through traffic with a baby in the back seat.
Stop! Told her she's going the wrong way. She just ran me. I did try to fit her.
Small child in the back seat, 320, back seat, passenger side.
The harrowing chase finally came to an end when officers executed a precision pit maneuver, safely immobilizing the vehicle.
Come back here, Brad. Come back here.
The driver was arrested on multiple charges, including endangerment of a minor. The incident serves as a stark reminder of the dangers officers face and their dedication to protecting the public, even in the most unpredictable situations. In just 30 intense seconds, Arkansas State police officers demonstrated their precision and expertise in bringing a dangerous pursuit to an end. The chase began when a suspect attempted to flee after being caught speeding, but he didn't get far. With sirens blaring and lights flashing, troopers pursued the suspect through winding roads.
Our units today is 1063 for 837 in pursuit.
Little Rock Pit and Highway 5 Rockwood.
Copy of 10, Highway 5 Rockwood. A5 and 10 volts.
Closing the gap with expert timing, a trooper executed a flawless pit maneuver, sending the fleeing vehicle spinning out of control. The car came to a halt, and within moments, the suspect was in custody, safe and sound without further harm to anyone on the road. This high-speed chase proved once again that Arkansas State Police are always ready to protect the public with skill and decisiveness. The Arkansas State Police once again demonstrated their exceptional training and tactical expertise in a high-speed pursuit that ended with a textbook pit maneuver. The driver of a Honda attempted to flee officers after failing to pull over for a traffic violation, escalating a routine stop into a tense chase.
Black BMW, he's taking
Marina is now 1053 for 176 with a black unlicensed passenger mirror BMW. Passing Crystal Hill Baptist Church.
A state trooper expertly executed a pit maneuver, striking the rear quarter panel of the Honda and spinning it into a controlled stop.
Show me your fucking hand! Show me your hand! Stop!
Officers quickly moved in, apprehending the driver without further incident. No injuries were reported, and the suspect now faces charges for reckless driving and fleeing law enforcement. In a chase that tested both horsepower and nerves, a Mustang with Texas plates roared through Arkansas streets, hitting speeds of over 130 mph in a desperate bid to evade the Arkansas State Police. The pursuit began on the outskirts of town when a trooper clocked the Mustang flying well above the speed limit. Ignoring lights and sirens, the driver accelerated, weaving through traffic and barreling toward downtown at breakneck speed.
Looks like it's taking a ride hard.
A pursuing trooper seized the moment and expertly executed a pit maneuver, sending the Mustang into a spin and bringing the high-speed chaos to an abrupt halt.
Just hit him.
Officers quickly apprehended the driver, who now faces a long list of charges, including reckless driving and fleeing law enforcement. The thrilling pursuit showcased the Arkansas State Police's commitment to keeping their streets safe, no matter where the challenge comes from.
Do you understand?
What started as a standard traffic stop turned into a wild and unforgettable pursuit, as Arkansas State Police found themselves chasing a suspect off-road straight into a muddy mess. The driver, refusing to pull over, veered off the highway and onto a rugged dirt path in an attempt to shake the pursuing trooper.
Dispatch, it's going to be a 1037. Westbound, County Road 38, headed to County Road 695. 321. Dispatch, I believe he just wrecked out. He wrecked out. Still on 38, he regained control. I tried to fit, he's got a flat tire. 323. He's coming to you.
The suspect attempted to flee on foot, slipping and falling in the muck, only to be apprehended moments later by the determined officer. This pursuit, marked by its messy yet effective resolution, highlights the Arkansas State Police's ability to adapt and prevail.
I don't care. Stand up.
The Arkansas State Police faced a dangerous challenge when a blacked-out Dodge Charger turned a routine traffic stop into a heart-stopping, high-speed pursuit. Reaching speeds of 150 mph, the suspect pushed their powerful vehicle. In luck, the chase began on a dark stretch of highway where the Charger, with no lights on, roared into the night in a reckless attempt to evade law enforcement.
Okay, blacked out. 32, I'm behind them. Speed's about 120, light traffic. Speed 120, light traffic. Eastbound past it. Speed 150. Speed 150.
Will you contact the construction crew, please? Place their construction. Charger tag is BLAULC.
Victor Lincoln Adam, Union Lincoln Charger.
They just split. One went 9th Street. I'm staying with the Charger on 30 eastbound.
Staying with the Charger, 30 eastbound. 37 was not green also. Hip 137. I'll look at you right there.
Negative. Still eastbound. Coming up to the river bridge.
Eastbound coming up to the river bridge. And the left lane 97 miles an hour. Left lane 97 miles an hour. River bridge. Coming up to the river bridge. Sorry. Take it side. Yeah.
Put your hands up!
Despite the suspect's efforts to outmaneuver them, a trooper closed in, executing a flawless pit maneuver at just the right moment. The Charger spun out of control, coming to a stop in the median, its once menacing presence now subdued. This pursuit highlighted not only the professionalism of the Arkansas State Police, but also their ability to bring even the most dangerous chases to a safe and decisive conclusion.
Come out.
Sir,
I come out. I can't get up.
get out of the car. Let's go. Come on. Right out. You got him? Get out. Get on the ground. Get on the ground now.
A night of chaos unfolded on Arkansas streets as state troopers pursued a driver behaving erratically, only to discover a dangerous trio of contraband in the vehicle: guns, weed, and pills. The chase began when officers spotted the car swerving wildly, narrowly avoiding collisions with other drivers. As the driver careened through city streets, troopers expertly maintained pursuit, waiting for the right moment to end the mayhem.
I just almost lost it. Losing a tire.
We're losing a tire.
Failed pit attempt. Never mind. He wrecked out here. Just before Canis.
Right now, before Canaan.
The chase came to an abrupt conclusion when the driver miscalculated a sharp turn, sending the vehicle skidding onto a curb and bringing it to a halt. The suspect now faces charges including reckless driving, possession with intent to distribute, and illegal possession of firearms. Once again, the Arkansas State Police proved their commitment to keeping the streets safe, even in the face of high-stakes dangers.
It's going to be Boy, Sam, Nora, Paul, 021. Repeat, BSN T021.
A seemingly quiet night turned into a heart-pounding spectacle when a reckless driver in a Pinot led authorities on an intense pursuit through a closed street. The high-speed chase began when the suspect ignored barricades and sped into a restricted area, putting lives at risk with dangerous stunts and wild maneuvers.
Wat is dat ik dan brug? Wat wordt?
The pursuit reached its climax when the suspect's vehicle lost control on loose gravel, slamming into a barricade and coming to a grinding halt. Officers swiftly surrounded the car, apprehending the suspect before they could flee on foot. This intense encounter highlighted the dangers of reckless driving and the dedication of law enforcement in responding to high-stakes situations. A dramatic high-speed pursuit by the Arkansas State Police ended in a spectacular collision that sent sparks flying and left officers and onlookers. The chase began when a suspect, driving recklessly, refused to stop for a routine traffic violation, launching a tense pursuit through city streets.
They just crashed out there. Go ahead and close the train tracks now.
Show your hands! Get on the ground now! Get on the ground! I got one belt running, white jacket, blue jeans.
With adrenaline fueling their reckless escape, the driver skidded onto the tracks, coming to a sudden halt just feet away from an oncoming train. Officers quickly moved in, pulling the suspect from the car moments before disaster struck. The pursuit showcased the Arkansas State Police's courage and quick thinking, preventing what could have been a tragic outcome. The suspect now faces a slew of charges, but the story of this fiery chase will not soon be forgotten.
The car's cleared. I've got one detained in my unit. I'm running on foot after this guy's filming the tree line. Did you shut the train tracks down?